What is up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can unfreeze your MEXC account. Well, the process is pretty simple. First of all, you need to understand why your account was frozen at the first place. Your account was frozen at the first place due to abnormal or suspicious trading from the account. This reason caused the Maxi security to think that there could be some unethical thing happening to someone's account, so they suddenly or quickly freeze your account. Now, in order to get it unfreeze, you probably have got an email asking for some verification thing. You just have to go to your email and verify your identity and all the documents whichever they have asked for. If you have done that and they still haven't unfrozen your account, or if you haven't got that, what you can do is you can actually go to their help center. So for that, you have to search for Maxi customer service and then go to this website, which should be the help center. In the help center, you'll be able to see all the different options. Just go to freeze account, just follow the prompts, try to find the right solution, log into your account, and you'll be able to get access to your Maxi with the unfrozen account. So that's pretty much it. That's how we'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.